Alright, 1, 2, 3, rolling.
Ano 2, 3, mabuhay. Pwede sad.
Sugod na
Three.
Mabuhay.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, mabuhay. Kinsa gani ka sa Bini?
Hi, I'm Bini Aya. I love it.
Before anything else, ato i-welcome ang ating friend. Yes, thank you for joining the pod.
Yes.
Let us all welcome
Timmy.
Timmy.
Hi.
You wanna introduce yourself to the pod?
Yeah, my name is Tim.
Oh, wait lang, because he speaks he, she, it. So it's a pronoun.
He, she, it lang sassy.
Sabi ko lang.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Tim and
Mugnaw lagi ka.
sis.
Inang audience.
Yeah, my name is Tim and
Kilakot lagi ka, sis. Nakulbaan. Wala rin. 300 na itong viewers, di na ka makulbaan. 300 na mo saway
Di
niyo.
ba siya Facebook Live?
Daily.
Di para ganiya.
Podcast
Sige,
files.
Sige.
Yeah, so my name is Tim and
Where are you from the Philippines?
I'm from Zamboanga.
Zamboanga. So you speak?
I speak broken Spanish
Okay.
or Spanish Creole.
It's called
It's called Chabacano.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wanna say hi sa mga taga Zamboanga.
In Chabacano.
In Chabacano.
Love it. Yeah. Hola mi ciudad, Zamboanga.
Oh.
Family.
Girl, di man siya Facebook. He was like,
Sige.
hello to my family and friends.
In Chabacano.
Chabacano, girl.
Girl, naglisod na ko.
Okay.
Nakalimot
It's been a
ka.
while.
Nakalimot na ko. Yeah.
How long na gani ka din sa Canada?
Anang almost 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah. I had to fact.
Panahon pa ng mga Hapon.
Yes.
Dugay na
Yeah.
din siya diri.
Yeah.
Yes, so Ate, welcome si Tim, kinakulbaan siya. Okay, we'll just have fun.
Yeah, okay.
I would
Well,
just have
It's just a
thank you.
conversation
Because
time.
girls just want to have
Fun.
Ah.
Love it. And son.
Son, kay summer man.
Yes, yes.
Or somebody's son.
Ay!
Ganahan ko, Ganahan ko.
I thought you want the daddy.
Girl, ikat na siya, girl.
Sige, sorry. Sige. Wala ka ba ni cut-cut?
Sure, whatever.
Anyway, for this episode, we'll just discuss few things. Huwag mo na
Okay.
mag-classic, mag-discuss.
Mag-test unya.
For anything else, mag-discuss discuss na po. Mag-talk ta about sa recent issue nga, about halfy, mga Pinoy nga half.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ay, before anything else, pwede ay,
Hmm.
how was your week?
Imagine na.
How was it?
No.
When I start? How was your week?
My week was okay, uneventful.
Ay, wag pa ka ni-share on sa mong work.
No, I work in healthcare.
Yeah,
Mm.
perfect.
You take care of health.
Yes.
Thank you
Because
for your
health
service.
Well,
Wealth.
yes.
And we are
Simple.
wealthy. So, nag-work na ka?
Yeah, nag-work ako.
Okay, ikaw, Bev.
Ah.
How's your week?
My week has been okay. Work lang, and then trying to make use of the summertime.
Di ba same mo work?
Dili.
No, the job, the work.
Yeah.
Yeah, or the
I mean,
field.
different company, pero this, di ba MOA ba ka?
Dili.
Mm.
Yeah.
Ako nagigo chika.
Pala decision.
Siya mo decide.
Oh, but something like that, like dili
Ah.
same og like realm in healthcare.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lahi lang ako.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name mo?
Like admin.
Ah,
Admin. By the family medicine clinic.
Oh,
Ah,
yeah.
okay.
Physio.
Physio.
Yeah, physio.
So, lahi nga sector?
Uh,
Ano, same
sector,
sector,
but
but
different line of
different.
business.
Okay.
Category.
Category.
yeah.
Tao ba to?
Comment down below. Ikaw, yeah.
Nothing. I'm your random friend. I'm your typical friend, unemployed friend on a random Tuesday who's always out and about.
Yeah. Always available.
I'm I'm unemployed for now. So if you're hiring,
But money is not an issue.
it will not
It's a major problem.
it will be an issue in a couple of months. Yeah, but right now, no. I'm
So please
Okay.
hire him.
Kamay ka.
Ako?
Mm.
Finally! Na
Ready na.
Wala ka nag-enjoy sa rent this time.
Awa ko nag-enjoy sa rent
Wala.
this time. So, ginaganaan ko kung self o koan kanang fun this time. So, nag-road trip me kanang BC to Alberta. Kay,
Wow.
yan ako mga high school
Sorry.
friends, di ba? Ako naman to na-mention. So,
Shout out dayo.
oh yeah! So, akong duha ka friends,
Mm.
high school friends, kina sila sa Alberta, nasa Red Deer o Fort McMurray.
Mm.
Kanang si Esther and si Eva. Hello! I miss you!
Hi.
And also, the other friend na mo from high school is from UK. Nurse siya sa UK, si Kat. Pagod siya naabot yesterday. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God! So, wala siya. So, it's so fun. So, first time man ako dito sa mga mainstream Moraine Lake, Lake Louise. So,
Nag-drive,
no, nakato ta before.
nag-drive mo, di ba?
Oh, nag-drive me. But
was frozen.
winter ta before. So, karon finally, kato
Leisure
nag yung, yes. So, yes, pero nag-drive me kay kung ano, bucket list na nako siya sa una pa ba nga for the longest time. Sige, kung
Na long drive jud.
Oo, nga mag-long drive ba nga kanang i-feel na mo, makita mi sa Rockies and everything. So, moto siya. Pero karon nga naka-experience mi ato, the next time kay mag-play na.
Kay kapoy siya dayo.
Kapoy siya.
Pila ka
Actually,
hours
oo.
from here?
So, ang among ruta ato was from here to Jasper, 8
Yeah.
hours. Yeah. Jasper to Canmore, 3 hours.
Okay.
Yeah. Canmore to Calgary, kay gihatod. Di ato may, Canmore to Calgary. O, mga na 2 hours. Oh, pero, ato pa dyan may Red Deer. So, plus an hour. Yeah, to Red Deer, back to Calgary, an hour.
Red Deer.
Amang gihatod si Eva,
Red
katong
Deer,
friend.
no?
Yes. So, yeah. Pagbalik na sa BC, so nag-drive na mi from Calgary to Revelstoke,
Mm.
mga 3 hours.
Mm.
Yan, ihapit kami sa Emerald Lake. Yeah, Revelstoke to BC,
Emerald Lake sa BC.
5 hours. Oh,
With a total of
ano, daghan siya, di na ako siya makalista. Basta kalayo kay siya, pero niyan ako nga, na siya, na-unlock na siya, so pwede na mag-plane
Ay,
kung ato balik dito.
I just want to
For-
add my week. Manaka.
Yes, yes.
But the FIFA, it was so amazing. First time ako ma-experience ng FIFA. I wasn't in the stadium. But na made it to sa PNE and be part of such a historic moment sa Canada. I was repping for Canada.
Congratulations,
yeah.
Canada!
Nindot jud. It was such an amazing experience nga. Bibud siya ka mga tao. And mo to siya. What's a highlight of my week?
I heard
It's great.
na it gave sinulog vibes.
It not until naabot ang mga Mexicans.
Mm.
Okay, it's their turn. Mexico versus
Oh,
South Korea. Bibo kaayo, but I had to leave because it was so hot.
Mm.
Yeah, but it was really, really fun.
Oh, that's nice.
Next Wednesday na pa ng game, so I will be there.
Canada versus?
I don't know. But
Okay.
it's gonna be
Yeah.
For the people's information ba, ang provinces manggod sa Canada, kay ma-drive ra nimo siya.
Yes.
And while driving, for example, from British Columbia to Alberta is, daghan kag pwede ma-visit. So, daghan siyang stopover. Yeah.
And
so,
kani di ay.
so,
Maka-proud niya siya.
oh.
Okay,
How
ako friend
proud?
from UK. Okay, doon naman niya ang Europe. So, naka-travel na siya sa Europe pod. So,
the driver na di
train, Marginana. So, niya na siya, pagkita niya sa Rockies, niya na siya nga kanang, ay, mas nice pa ni sa Switzerland.
No ba?
Kuya, wago.
No, maka-proud.
As a proud Canadian.
Yeah.
As a happy.
No,
As a happy.
Yeah.
Wow, my week.
Balik sa...
Jim Mangot.
What?
Pangutana.
Sige, go.
So, how was your week?
Wala rasad. Wala rasad kayo.
Wala ka man di ay.
Pero nag-work rasad ko, but before ta nag-shoot, we went to a Filipino festival, di ba?
Today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sila
Kung
upat.
ma-feel ninyo nga low ang energy, it's because it's so hot.
No, it wasn't a party, but Kikan Mig
Festival.
festival. It was really
Filipino
hot and exhausting.
Yeah, pero
It is describing you guys.
ang Filipino festival is, kung ano naman siya, like, i-search na lang.
It was just like
No, like,
celebration of culture,
Culture,
there's food,
tradition, Filipino food, may
Yeah.
mga Filipino businesses.
there are shows, there are fashion shows,
Yeah.
displaying cultural or traditional outfits. Ano lang.
I guess if
It was
you've been to
fun.
a Filipino party, kay
Yeah.
muragi padako lang nila.
Oh,
Like,
and
there's
mga
singing,
booths.
there's dancing, food.
Yeah.
We were just there for the food.
How was the crowd?
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Sakto
Daghan,
lang.
but sakto lang.
Sakto
It's gonna
lang.
be another one tomorrow.
Eh, big man sa
It's
nilang
a 2-day
area.
event.
Mm.
Oh.
Big ilang area.
Yeah. But anyway, so much about that.
Ah.
I want to talk about the recent issue ba about the Happy.
Half.
Right.
Are you happy? If you're happy and you know this, clap your hands. Hot topic.
Ikikiday.
Sige, what's your opinion about it?
Ikaw una. What's your opinion? Since
Yeah,
you wanna talk about it, ikaw
Can you
una.
summarize?
Okay.
So just to give context, ganong na-issue mga happy.
Yes, dara ang issue. Flash.
Para ang link. Ayun na lang siya
Click the links, yes. Alam ang
summarize.
dili mo manghatag og assignment. Dagan na kami trabaho. Bitaw, it all started from a comment sa usa ka title holder ba siya?
Influencer. I don't think he was a title holder. I don't
No.
Correct.
But anyway, he joined pageantry. He's a half Filipino and
half
half
American.
American, and I don't know.
But God, he's of American citizen.
And
He was
then-
born
siya ganako?
there.
Di
He
ko
was
siya
born
ganako.
there.
Okay.
And then, namang gusto yung comment from a netizen, tapos ni-reply siya, and then, non-verbatim, but niingon siya, ang pasabot sa iyang comment is, like, it's usually, i-flash para dili ta makahon.
True.
Mano yung comment, away yung comment, makalagot tayo. Mas ang point niya is, dili magka-chance ra ang Filipinos sa pageantry, it's because sa mga happy.
You said it too nicely.
Ah,
Yang giingan
because I'm a nice person.
Yang giingan is karang
And you're not
this country wouldn't stand a chance without us halfies.
Mm.
So that means that means ang full-blooded Filipino daw wala day chance sa international pageant
Yeah.
or any.
You need to be half.
You need to be half
Yeah.
to
to have a
experience-
chance.
Yeah, to have a chance in pageantry, which is not true because you have Janine Tugonon. You have
Daghan sa.
no Venus Ra is half. She's happy.
She's half.
Janine Tugonon, Shamsi Supsup, Beatrice, It's a
Wow.
Ariel- Miriam Kembao, Ariel Arida, di ba?
Maria Diaz.
Ariel Arida? Ariela?
Ariel Arida.
I don't
Basta
know.
siya.
Basta siya.
Siya.
2013, I think.
Gloria Diaz, di ba?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, maybe.
Sige, as a beauty queen yourself,
Ay.
what can you say
what can
about
you say
it?
about it?
For me, kanang, I don't definitely agree sa iyang gisulti. Because, you know, if that's the mindset, I might as well just give it to the people. Ang mga full-blooded Filipino na we are more than our, you know, our race, our skin.
Bitaw.
Yeah, and we contribute more. You know, and we have our own stories, our journey. Yeah.
Not just about race.
Yeah, it's never limited to that.
Mm.
Yeah. And it's kind of like also have negative connotation when he mentioned that.
Oh, it was very negative.
Yeah, it was very negative. And he was so proud about it too. So it's gonna
Yeah.
know.
Yeah. Ako murag makuan ko matikan abak ko may ana ba kay where is this coming from? Like is this like
A place of arrogance.
kana
And
murag
internal racism.
oh kana murag kanang na ba siya some sort of awareness on siya naingon?
Mm.
Was it like an oopsie kadiyot lang na let me take that back?
Mm.
I don't know if he felt remorse.
Yung gidelete sa Instagram.
Nag-deactivate siya or delete.
Well,
Wala
does
siya
that
na social media.
Was there any public apology or
Delete
like
niya.
There
corrections
wasn't the delete
itself?
niya.
I don't know.
Yeah, that he posted an apology and he took it down right
Like I
away.
always kanang murag it's such a bad situation but to be in, but then I would want to know his perspective, like asa man higikan,
yeah.
like naon mo murag mo lang na akong take,
Mhm.
but then hurtful jud ang iyang giingon.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ikaw, yeah. Nagdupo naman ka.
Nag-internalize.
Nag-internalize.
Yeah, kay
Na-hurt man siya.
Hurt siya.
of course, because
Aw.
Ari jud Canada, no, I've never been more proud of my culture of being a Filipino. Because
Mm.
ganun pa sa Pinas, we live and breathe the culture, our identity. Dili ta ma-differentiate ba kung sa tanga Filipino anis move ta abroad. So dito siya mas appreciate ang kuan. Ba yung kuan magud nga. Naman ko question nga what does it mean to be a Filipino? Anyone can be a Filipino. Diba? Anyone can be a Filipino regardless of what your color is, what your anyone can be a
Yes.
Filipino. I think it's about being proud of the culture, the tradition, the Filipino identity, the being kanang community minded kay ka. So that's what makes us Filipino. And I think katuyang comment magud nga this some Filipinos or let's just say like full-blooded Filipinos wouldn't stand a chance sa international pageant. Hala, kisa mo karga ni mo dito. Kisa mo bandera ni mo dito. Whole Philippines, man. Asa mo naman half America. Di bandera sila ni mo. Di naman bandera ni mo. It's like Pakis pageant. Honestly.
Pero wait,
So,
lang, di ba napad ko yung usangan ni Abiba niya nga, di ba?
I think he was just like, was siya kasabot na sige pang sulti, but I wasn't really
Nakiride lang siya.
nakiride lang siya. I wasn't really offended. I didn't find anything offensive sa iyang reply man. Okay, he was full Filipino siya, but American siya. Oh, pero mga sa lagi, kiniingon mo to nga, represent your country then, na naana ba? Hindi sa nga, why would we lie nga, taga-America man jud me? But why are you wearing the Philippine sash if you're not gonna be loud about what you're representing? Diba? So, mo na siya, kanang term nga happy, kana it's
Nana rin siya nana siya negative connotation.
yeah.
Yeah.
Kay mo yung happy magbarag mo beauty standard ba nga you have to look like this.
So, yung naka-powerful ang words. Yeah. If you use a word by to like something negative,
True.
marami mo remember sa mga tao.
And also, like, maudyo na ang
Effects sa influence.
Yeah.
Like you're in that
Dapat siya
platform.
following.
Oh, you're in that
Ah,
platform and then you're spreading division
Yes.
instead of unity. Ana gani.
Yes.
Yeah,
Dili
tungod
ba siya?
ana, happy, negative
Yeah.
connotation na, it's sad.
Komega.
Kuan. So first time na ko siya nadunggan, no? Salamat.
What na research?
Mo na say last.
Nanlaag man gud siya sa tones.
Pero kuan, feel ako pagka kana same kang Bev, ganahan ko makabalo sa iya ba. Unsay ngano nakaingon siya ato. Kanang perspective, unsay iyang perspective, kanang unsay basis ngano
Yeah.
nakaingon ka ana, and also siguro kanang murag pagkaingon sa niya lain siya ba.
Mm.
Ganan ako makabaw if kana unsa jay reason nga nakaingon siya ato niya. Makanasag ko nga kanang ayaw ko i-bash ha, pero there's a little truth
naman
to it. Kay,
Mm.
di ba kay height-wise, ana niya, kanang, siguro, kanang language-wise, kay English man did usually, di ba, question and answer, siguro mas easy kung, ana, magkuha ka sa happy, di ba? Pero, I think this is also a good kanang wake-up call sa atong mga managers or sa mga
Sa pageant.
organizers
Ah.
or kanang mga magkuha og mga kandidata nga bitaw no kanang always naman lang kanang half Filipino or half kanang
Mostly,
foreigner.
mostly.
Mostly. So why not for sure naaman jud na sa mga sa kadaghan sa atong population naa gyud kanang
Yes.
Filipino jud
Full-blooded.
full-blooded Filipino
Born
jud
and
nga.
raised.
Yes, nga kanang taas, inana, ma-train, kay, ma-train naman dyan na ang kanang
Yeah.
pageant, di ba? Ang skills, ang question and answer. So, this is a good wake-up call, di ba? Nga,
Yeah.
bitaw,
About the good conversation, it's more than just about the pageantry.
mo lagi.
Oh,
Ay-
beauty standards, inana
Mm.
ba? Abot mo inana ng discussion good.
I agree. The first time nga na kita na ko ang issue ba was, well, again, at the end of the day, it's about how you take the conversation, di ba? How you take anything.
Yeah.
Pagtalan ako to, sure enough, there's truth to it. Nga, if you look at the pattern, mostly mas a good happy.
Yes.
So, I think, I guess we can say nga, he was speaking about facts.
Mm.
Kaya mga half mas usually, but,
You could have said it nicely.
yes! The point
The
is,
delivery.
I agree.
the point is, yes, truth hurts, but like, sometimes you don't need to make unnecessary comments, you know? And especially talking about something sensitive, like about your race, di ba mga ingana ba? Pwede mo mong shut up na lang. Like, yes, na-pattern ng ingana, but then again, kung if ganahan ka i-voice out na, there's always a better way of saying it. You know?
Mauligi na Omega, di ba? If
And
not,
sure enough, it's a wake-up call.
oh, yes.
Now, why don't we prioritize? Although I agree na kung musayan mo dito, maayo na mo speak, eloquent na mo speak, or at least kaning English speaker na, it's easier to win the question and answer portion because all they have to do is just think of the answer, but because they can already speak the language easier. But kaning mo speak sa tag-English. And why nga di magpadala tag-interpreter?
Exactly.
Di ba?
That's true.
It's not a problem. So yeah, wake up call, but at the same time, don't make unnecessary comments. Okay? It sounded so arrogant.
Yeah,
No?
muad ko ana ba? Kana mauligi na if nothing good comes out of your mouth,
Yes.
kanang think
think sa gyud before you speak.
Yes.
Most especially if naka sa social media.
Yes. Kung
Okay.
pink ka og lips mo, speak jud ka.
Nailabtanon ako.
Si Karina lagi ang na-right mo speak.
Pero grabe ba mo cancel ang Pinoy ha? Kung,
Yes, like grabe gyud.
cancel din siya. He was really canceled. I don't think na pa siya career balikan.
Hopefully ingana ta mo cancel sa politicians nga corrupt.
I agree.
Palihog lang. Nganong sa pageantry ra kita mo big deal. Ha, dagan kay pwede i-cancel oh.
Actually.
Because everything is political. Yeah.
I think gusto niya political man to.
Yes.
Talks about like
of course.
inclusivity and,
Yeah.
and the beauty standards. That's political.
But at the end of the day, yes, deserve yun niya nga mag-deactivate.
Yes, I
Palihog
would
lang.
say.
You can go back to Guam.
Yes.
Is it he? Ni siya?
He.
It's a it.
guy.
Oh.
It's a
Hmm.
guy.
He's from Guam?
Guam is a US territory.
Mao gani,
He's
nasa sa
American.
Guam?
Yes, he's
Oh.
based in Guam.
Guam man din siya diri sa
So kana,
Oh.
deserve kayo mo deserve ganun maging ato yung ato pa man nga naa kay mga followers o naminaw nimo and di ba? Sakto nga kaning you're dividing the
Imo.
people.
Mm.
So now, are you happy?
Mm.
Mm.
They also like kung nakay anak na platform.
Because we are not.
Yes. If you're happy, clap your hand.
But kana ganing that's kana lalo ka nang cancel sa lahat ng sining topic. Pero kana ganing I don't think that defines him as a person. Like he's a good person with strong opinions, but tawag
It was just a wrong platform.
Yeah,
Wrong
at the wrong time.
pero kung magnoon na
the
sa ka
wrong
ba murag
place.
dugay inani gud siguro yung feeling from the beginning pa lang.
Mm.
No, kana sa
Ana
ba,
gani.
kung naakay,
Oh.
nakay strong opinions about something, you can express them. But you don't
In a
need
good
to
way.
express them and then put negativity on something else.
Mhm.
Ano, you can be just opinionated about something without demeaning anything
Yeah.
else.
That's true.
Without stepping on anyone's toes.
Ano naman yung mga half American karon mo karga ni mo wala.
Mm.
Wala jud ta ng Philippines wala ni jud.
Yeah.
Feel ako ba nadapot to siya sa moment siguro no pag-share niya.
Basin nasuko po siya sa comment sa guy niya na daw siya sa emotion sa comment po siya. Kay ano ba na kanang lagot na comment ni Patol siya. Naka-speak nun siya
yes.
inato out of his anger po.
Yeah.
So, mo na think before you comment.
Speak.
Aw, laylay ta. Sakto ino ka, ikaw man ang pink uglit.
Ako sa, before you act.
Before you speak,
Yes. Wear pink.
think before you speak.
Think positive.
Another topic I want to discuss because I think it's very timely and relevant.
Okay.
I'm purple.
Purple.
So I want to talk about
Sama.
if you're comfortable.
So, kasi yeah.
Let's dig in.
As a gold digger.
Bring it on.
Yes. What fearless ba ka, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi lang sa
Yes.
fearless.
I-zoom din ako sa
Ano sa camera? Kasi lang sa fearless. Kasi lang sa fearless ba?
Oh.
Oh, dahil yun.
Why
Kasi lang sa
not?
fearless.
1, 2, 3, go!
Dami yung gabi.
Oh.
Animal. I love it.
I want to talk about Kuan.
What?
Ay.
Ano thrilling man kayo?
I want to talk about dating life.
Oh,
Dating here?
Dating here?
Dating here?
Wherever, basta naka-passport mo sa Tinder.
Sweet to lagi ni
Of course, I've been there, done that.
But not anymore.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Kaning, Yeah, I have questions about dating.
Agoy mo rin.
Okay.
Diri na dyan ni target sa akin.
Feel ako na yung malububo din rin.
Are you ready? Okay. Kung alam na siya, general questions, maybe ba maka-learn ang mga listeners or viewers, di ba? Upset atong CZ.
Ayaw na na, heatwave.
Miss you,
Migraine
CZ.
pa siya.
Bitaw.
Get well soon, CZ.
Ay, well,
Eh, guman ani, get well na siya.
Actually.
how's your dating life?
Lights on.
Confident presentation.
I love it. Lights on.
Kapoy saan ipagno, no?
Yeah.
Kapoy marog.
Unsa man nga light? Warm light, fluorescent light, dim light. Gusto kag pina-silhouette.
Yeah, just that.
To set sa mood.
Candlelit.
Para dili ka makita ang nong makita
Dinner.
kamay.
Yes.
Nga sakto lang makita ang
Uy,
expression.
detailed lagi kayo.
Yes.
So, mo na imong love life karon. Lights on.
Lights on.
Ah,
Oh, let's
okay.
on.
Mm.
Sorry, No, what's the question?
Ano, like, yeah,
How's
gusto mong
your
dating
love
life?
life?
Oh.
Well, I don't really have
In
love.
general.
I don't have love life.
Are you seeing someone?
I'm currently not seeing someone. And I think kanang happy ako ko ani. Kay,
Nga chill lang ka at the moment.
Yeah, enjoying the season of singleness.
That's true.
no
Wow,
pressure.
singleness and blessedness.
Yeah. Wala, enjoy na. Like season of singleness, like no pressure.
Seasonal singleness.
Yeah,
Seasonal.
seasonal.
Kini sa mood.
I think makuan man siya, mo taas man iyahang kaning urge if winter ting bugnaw.
Ano siya na?
Based on experience. Okay, so kuan lang karon.
Question for Tim.
Okay, what's your question?
Were you in a relationship before?
I was.
Oh.
Kanang
How
pandemic
long?
era.
Dugay-dugay na sad sa.
Dugay-dugay na sad. Ano, 1 year.
Was he a Filipino?
You know, he's Canadian.
Canadian.
Yeah.
Blue eyes?
Blue Eyes White Dragon. No, Blue Eyes.
Special.
Yes.
How long was that, Tim?
Like the relationship lasted?
Yes.
Kanang 1 year.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Ikaw, Bev. How's your dating life?
My dating life is moody. Moody.
Nasa Port Moody?
Wala na.
Wala lang.
Oh my
Kaya context sa mga taga Cebu, Port Moody is a city
City.
na siya sa Greater Vancouver area.
Moody. Moody like sometimes mas na ako'y effort mabutang in dating. Sometimes we retract ko and kind of just keep things to myself and di kay ko mo meet og people.
So meaning, unlike kuan ka, turn on and turn off.
Lights on and off.
Yes,
Discohan.
Depende na na inigmata ni ako ba ni on? Depende sa mood.
Kasi katawa na kasi mood.
Alama, si Kuya!
Tita Flor.
Lights off.
Pwede mo na mo ang question.
Wala. Lights off.
Oh, depende na lang sa interpretation kung saan lights on or off.
How's my dating life? Koan.
It's like
Trotropahin.
Sa ako na magsulti, uy. Karon wala. Wala sa Hawaii.
Pa-Hawaii.
As if no, nagsigi jud. Pero, kumakain mo pa Hawaii ba?
Medyo ka ni kapuy na.
As in, nawala. Uy, dugay-dugay na. Behave sa
saan mo
to.
gaya?
Ay, Dugaya.
When was the last time?
Last night.
Uy, buong.
This morning.
When was the last time you were seeing someone?
This
I
morning.
didn't say, lululululay. When was the last time? Lululululay.
Kano sa aba? Kaya na kung tawag.
Alama!
Which was like, last month. No, April.
2 months ago. 2 months ago.
2 months ago. So, off na ron. So, extended ako warranty until November. 6 months warranty. Okay, mga to, uy. Ano, I'm not dating anyone. Focus ako sa self. Focus eh. Sige, focus.
May 30 naman tayo.
Ano, Jud?
Sobrang nakafocus. I have a question.
Ay.
Kanang,
Okay, I love-
do you guys ever feel na pressure to be in a relationship?
Let me call this question, no.
Mm.
No. For
No.
economic reasons, no.
Mm.
Maura Jud na.
Mm.
No.
No.
Ako,
Yeah.
no, but I yearn
Same.
to have a
I like
partnership.
that. You're
I yearn to have a healthy partnership. Well, business
Well, business.
partnership.
Mm-mm.
So kana, not
Ikaw.
no pressured.
No. But I want to stay intentional.
Ay.
And that's
Oh,
it.
I love that answer.
Yeah,
Really
I don't
should.
feel any pressure right now.
As a
Diba?
yeah.
Yeah.
Zero pressure by
Bye.
I have a question. I think kaning interesting ni siya. Interesting ni siya A to bag. Do you guys believe in love at first sight or love at first vibe?
Vibe. Sight versus vibe.
Yes.
So you mas mo believe ka og love in first sight?
Yeah, like
No.
Unsay mo ha?
Vibe.
Vibe.
First vibe.
Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
I don't know when you said the word love, kanang, is it just like
It should be
profound.
yeah, profound, but maybe like I would lean towards more sa vibe.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah, then let's say love at first vibe.
Mhm.
Yeah. Because kung good ko ka ng personality, like, mas attracted ko sa personality,
Ah,
rather than
so kung-
attraction.
Batiog now, for example lang,
Mhm.
kung batiog now,
Mm.
i-check sa animo ang personality. Na chance batig now. Dito pang personality.
Yun lang ba?
Oh, naglisod nagtubag.
Ano man? One, two,
Game na siya.
Because,
Actually, did I say it right? Oh, ayun na lang tubag, ayun na lang.
Pero naka-question ni Pierre.
No,
Maybe,
sama, sama.
pero maybe.
Naka-question.
yes.
So, did it happen to you nga na love at first vibe ka?
Mhm.
Pero itsuraan siya.
Dili man pud ko ganahan ka ng super
That's subjective.
super guwapo.
O para nimo gwapo siya.
For me, yes, like in my eyes,
Attractive.
yes. Attractive.
So, tell us what happened.
Chica. Sa vibe.
Yeah, like, ano nakaingan ka nga, it was love at first vibe.
Individual grading, di ay need.
Yes,
Share,
girl.
share, share.
Submit your
Performance.
paper, unfinished or finished.
Performance bonus dahil nakasalalay dito.
Kaya, sige. What happened? Like,
Salamat, verse.
unsay event
O say, unsa man
Unsay-
unsa man walk us through that moment.
Yes, please.
Kung may salamin dito dito.
Not necessarily detail.
Oh.
Like,
Just the gist of it.
yeah.
Sa vibe?
Like, nakakaya ka nga, love at first
Sige na, wala
vibe.
gyud siya ka expensive. Site gito iya ha. Sige ni sa vibe.
Kaya ko siya naka-realize. I love
Site
at first
dito kay
sight.
gwapo man siya sa kumparan.
No, but good vibe kun min ka ng same mo. Because, di ba,
Hilig.
yeah, hilig. Because when we have a sit-down conversation, isa pa mag-date ka, you just hear it right away. Ka na with commonalities, like similarities, and then mga jokes, magland.
Yeah.
Especially when they're funny. And ka nang mag-exchange banter ba good?
Ah,
So, yeah.
yeah,
So, yeah.
Okay.
Vibe.
What about you, Ben?
Yeah.
I think, it's either
Love.
love.
I think
at
love
first-
is such a powerful word. Let's just put it like at first sight, like at first vibe.
Crush
Ay,
at first
nakaduha.
sight.
Kung like, if we say like, dali ra kay na, let's be honest,
Crush at first sight.
as in both.
Yeah.
Infatuation.
Well, actually, no. Ay, sa. Ano man, Jude? Love at first sight? Or
Love is first.
like at first? Well, are we sticking to love or are we sticking to like?
Like big word naman kay ang love.
Like na siguro.
Yeah. Like na lang. Or like if you think of it pa, also may mas importante nimo ang like pakita kag someone like dili ka siya super gwapo, dili ka siya so di ka super attracted but pwede na, let's just say
Kuan,
potential siya.
I would honestly lead to kanang looks. Okay, I cannot tell what your personality is.
Exactly.
Right away.
I'm agree,
Right away.
agree, yeah.
If we're talking about like.
Yeah, yeah.
If we
So
go
kung-
back to love, I would say attraction at first sight,
Mhm.
and then I could love at first vibe.
But have you guys been attracted
Crush.
first because of personality?
No.
No.
I think at some point yes.
Yes.
Ano ba yan?
Ako, yes.
Ako sa,
Ako,
ba yan?
yes.
Mas may develop nila.
As long as pasar ang noun, let's just be real. Na may ubang nga dili kay na to type.
Yeah.
But if you look at the person ba niya murag nindot siya tan-aw, like feeling mo magka-vibe mo, ating ma-attract man kanu like with the energy, yeah, with the personality. Yeah.
And I think attraction is subjective.
Yes.
So, I think kita to kung kasturya uy na kanang kung makita tag person, wala itsura ha, wala now, pero
Mahadlo ko ana.
siya ba?
but then let's say kanang ihang panamit kay neat.
Yes.
Yang tiil kay neat. Ano
Yeah.
ba? Ano ba? Kaya ano ba nang may nindot og buhok? Ay, ako ganahan kay kog matanog neat na
Naging
person.
Decent.
Yeah.
Presentable.
Yes.
Oh.
Nice. Ikaw ya.
Ako like, I don't believe in love at first sight. Probably like attraction at first sight.
Hmm.
Because it happens to me a lot of time na ma-attract ka pero istorya ninyo kasi they have the personality of a brick.
Agree.
Jude? Wala, Jude. So, I think the
Like
more,
super dull?
they don't know how to carry a conversation.
Oh, that's
Ang
a pet
dali,
peeve.
rahi ko ma-turn
Pet
off.
peeve
If wala,
na
dili
din,
ko
Also, cats.
simulate intellectually and mentally. Dili, Jude. Bahala kung sa ka-cute, gwapa, gwapo, Di, Jude. Ano, so I'm more leaning into personality. Pero of course, let's be real, physical attraction is really important.
Yeah.
Diba? So gusto ko na masurin ako sa
Ayala.
average na rin.
You want to make
Ano si Ayala?
Di mo sila ka-relate sa
Oh,
Metro
like
Town.
it's
Ang mga pasuri is Ayala. Ano, or sa SM sa Salon Star. Ana, sad ba? As long as they know how to
Mo,
carry
wait lang.
themselves,
Yung star na
they're neat. Mara check
Yeah.
they're neat. Same sa Yaha.
SM is
Oh,
strong.
as long as like you know how to take care of yourself, you don't have to be conventionally attractive.
Yeah.
You know, the stereotypical pretty or handsome.
Correct.
Mm.
I don't care about that, but kana lang, we need to hit it off right away. So
Yeah.
same kang them nga na may healthy banter, kanang jokes are landing very well,
Right.
ana gani. So kana lang. But if
But what if, question, what if you find someone, like, let's say, okay, nag-vibe mo, and then, physically, you got attracted mo sa iyaha, but he's not a good conversationalist.
I would question nga no, nagka-vibe me kay I would prefer
Because
to...
there are times,
Mhm.
manggod sa conversation, you know nga, mo banter siya, pero like, not the same way as you do. Kagets ka?
Mhm.
Like, sometimes mutubag na siya ginagmay, but
But still, you hit it off.
the vibe is there nga, pero di naman ko
So,
uban.
fall short?
For example, ikaw na guy. Yeah. For example, attracted kag straight guy.
Mm.
Yeah, when straight guy, dili ba maayo mo that conversation? Would that be a turn off? But he's a good guy.
He's
You feel
smart.
like he's
Depende. I think we have to hang out
more.
more.
Yes.
And then we go from there.
Oh.
yeah, because maybe
Ah.
because most people magud especially here, dating here, di magud sila mo.
Hilong man ta
Di magud sila mo open up dayon sa first
Oh,
date
that's
or second
true.
date.
Yes. Eh, nga
So
naman,
marag masigurong tagsarag ko maka third date or second date kaya naging
first pa lang.
ang ninyo.
Yeah.
First pa lang
Hindi sa
i-judge
bugo,
ka.
ha? Pero kada ganun,
You want more.
can we talk about something abstract? I love talking
Correct.
about abstract. Like I love talking about life, the concept of this and that. Ganun mo kung makatulog may nanagod. Pero if imong storya gani nga kanang shallow lang, kanang story mo about celebrity in a first meeting or any kanang what's trending mga pop culture issues.
Yeah.
Like, okay.
Yeah.
It's a good start, but kanang sigurong
Really?
piki lang jud ko. Maybe I'm the problem. Sahay ba?
No, I think fair po na siya. Kaya ka naman imong, that's how you see kanang dating or the person you wanna meet,
Be with.
be with. Yeah. Pero, I think ako apod kanang, it's hard man good na initially sa first meeting or second meeting na kanang to talk about like deep, meaningful conversations.
Yeah.
Because I feel like this has to be in a warm environment.
Yeah.
So it's hard
It
to,
needs to be
Oh, it
anything
was
under
really
the
warm,
sun.
Tim.
to elicit something na ka
Kaya I think sa first meeting manggod is you guys will mag-navigate pa manggod mo, like asa mo mag-meet
correct.
halfway.
Finding the
Yeah.
dynamic.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or mag-chika lang jumog anything, di ba?
Touch base, ana.
Touch move.
Onboarding dito. Or mag-meeting.
Yeah.
We'll circle back next week. We'll touch base about this.
I'll get back. I'll research on that. I'll
Yeah,
get
back to you. Yes. Kani, do you guys believe that love is a choice?
It is a
Yeah.
I would
choice.
answer that. It is a choice.
Yeah.
It is
Okay,
a choice.
From a married
Yeah,
perspective.
Yes, it's always a choice.
Okay.
Okay. I do believe nga it's really a cycle ba. Mubalik yun na siya, like, ma-attract ka.
Ginahan
Then,
ka t-shirt eh.
Ano yung physical
issue.
Ayun.
like ma-attract ka, then ma-love ni mo siya, then later on, mabot man dyan na sa point nga marag flat na, marag
Boring
dry
na.
na, boring na po.
Boring.
Yeah. And then, routine. So muna, diha ang challenge, diha na nga part nga, diha na musud nga,
If you choose.
na love is really a choice. Okay? You still choose the person,
Correct.
no? Kanang, whatever inyong nagian, nga kanang, look back ka sa inyong mga nagian. So, diha na siya ang make or break nimo nga, if mo choose pa ba ka to love the person,
Correct.
or you let go, you
Yes.
part ways, di ba? But, personally, but no, based on experience, if you choose to love the person still, it will be beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yes.
Ikaw, yeah.
You
Both,
agree
yes,
that
I
love is a
agree.
choice. A feeling and a choice.
I agree that love is a choice. Same jud answer kung kanina, but
Have you
it's,
chosen at one point?
have I
Have you
chosen?
been chosen? Or?
No, have you chosen someone?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, naa.
Oh, from
Pero-
kami yung options A to Z.
Wapakabot sa Z.
A
No,
to
but-
Y.
I think it can be like yes. Same sa yaha. love is a choice when you commit to someone. Kasi ano kayo interview ni Doug, I'm not a fan of them, but let's say Doug Kramer, Cheska, ano siya nga.
Kim Kramer.
Dito ko ilang like na put into perspective ba nga love is a choice because you wake up every day, mausaban mo feeling. Nga di na ako siya ma-love. Pero I will choose to be faithful and stay committed in this relationship.
Correct.
But at the same time, it can also not be a choice. Marag, it just comes naturally through feelings and emotions. Ano ba? Marag ingon nga na mga love is so blinded kay sa love. Di ba? Marag mubuhat na sa unsaon na lang. Bisag unhealthy na good. Bisag one-sided ang love because you love that person even though kanang
Toxic na.
di lagi toxic. Pero siya murag naka-autopilot ba? Because you love, nag-uros-uros imong gugma sa katao. So,
Yeah.
it can be yes or no. Depende na po sa tao. Like, ako, I am a very logical person. So, I'm gonna choose my brain over my heart. Kanina na. So, for me, love is a choice.
What about you,
How
Bev?
about you, Belle?
I guess mo hatag og different perspective.
Okay, give it away.
Kay, di ba, atong mamarag ang ma-answers ron kay kanang you're choosing to love, you're choosing to stay. Ang akong interpretation of choosing to love kay, unfortunately, bati akong past. So, I chose to love myself and kind of let go of that person. So, that could be choosing to love as well, is to let go. Kay, dili naman ni maayo. So, mao sa na ako ang perspective.
So you mean love is a choice, but the choice does not mean choosing
Imong
to stay.
partner, pirme, or to stay.
Yeah, it
pirme.
doesn't mean choosing to stay.
Mm.
Yeah.
What if, no doubt, he loves her, she loves him, Jude. Like, no doubt. But let's just say, di lang Jude mo work for some reason. I don't know, distance, let's say. May masud sa utok. Distance. Di Jude siya mo work. Because let's say, ang dreams niya kay naa dito.
Yeah.
Ang dreams nako naa diri. Ana lang
You
ba?
guys are living different worlds.
Exactly. But no doubt, we
You
love each other. Ana ba? But of course, you have to choose to love him or her far away from a
afar.
distance.
Yeah.
Kasi kibaw kang mas maayo siya dito. Kibaw ka na mas maayo ka diri.
Yes.
So that could be a situation of choosing love as well.
Oh, I love that.
I love you too.
It's a nice perspective. So na-pressure ka sa tubag. Hindi kayo tubag kayo papel.
No, I just have a question. Different, ano na siya, almost orang side,
Ride on lang.
siya, yeah. Because you mentioned earlier kanang, you had like a bad
Bad
past.
past.
So,
bad past.
you let go of that person,
Mm.
but you also let go of the version of yourself.
Oh yes. Like, I don't know if same ni sa tanan tao, no? But I go through my relationships being different like versions of myself.
After that
Oh,
relationship.
like
Yeah.
and fortunately blessed ko na always better after.
Yes.
Honestly lang
Yeah.
Jud, like wala sa town ko na totally torn down.
Yeah.
Ana, yes, na torn down ko, but then like nadugmok jud ko na ko ni Saka,
Mhm.
probuyag.
Yeah.
Like,
And that's a win.
thank you. Yes.
Did you feel na you hit rock bottom nga katong mga bad ko ani mo
Yes.
experiences?
Different versions of rock bottom, ana. Like at a young age, ana, like wala pa nimo na cultivate imong individuality, imong identity. And then precious pa kay ka ba, like for a man or a woman, like dili pa ka buo, then gidugmok na sad ka, ana. So that's why murag, I guess kanang important jud to na wala kay no kanang overrated na kay ang love yourself, choose yourself, but know yourself, ana. Know yourself, know what you want.
I think through the process man sad good,
Ah.
not to kani romanticize the
Mm-mm.
past experience, the bad experiences,
Mm-mm.
but as cliche as it may sound, I think mo go through jud ka para mo discover jud nimo imong self.
Yeah.
That's true.
And yeah, through that relationships, but you'll really know at the end of it all nga unsa gid imong ganahan.
Mm.
Or what you're looking for, o asa ka mo settle.
And also sa unsa ka capability unsa asa kataman imong capabilities
Yes.
Yan, kanang uy mao na ma-meet
Mm.
nimo ang version sa imong self nga you never thought
Na maabot din
Yes,
ako. Ako
na
din.
you have.
But also to add ha, I think pwede nga you're already at the best version of yourself during that time,
Mm-hmm.
but you just haven't found the right person yet. to love that
Kana,
person.
pwede
that's
sad.
true.
Yeah,
Oo.
we'll never know. But yeah, you have to mo reassess man sa kasi mo self at the end of the
Yeah,
day, di ba?
oo.
So, yeah. What about you, Tim? So, is love a,
A
choice?
I haven't really kanang naabot sa point nga deep really like relationship for me to say or to like right now to come up with an answer.
Mhm.
Pero feeling na ako, love is a choice. It's coming, kanang if I look at things outside of the picture, example, a relationship of someone I know, or like a marriage of a pair, like a family, and what I'm like reading sa mga articles, I believe love is a choice, Jud. Kay kanang the first thing when you wake up in the morning, you decide right away, oh, I want to be with this person.
That's true.
Yeah, today. Because I feel like kanang you don't really like them every day. Or I feel like dili ko, I don't, yeah,
For sure.
Yeah, annoying siya, right? Yeah. Yeah. So feeling na ako, love is a choice. Kaya mag-decide man jud ka, oh, I wanna be with you. Today, I wanna stay with you. And the next day, I wanna stay with you. I wanna work things out with you. And
It's an everyday choice.
yes.
Yes,
And
that's
then
true.
you really choose someone to do, like, to struggle with, to conquer challenges. And so love is a choice.
Period.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero I like what Kevin said earlier. Kanang, you don't really have to choose. Because automatic naman yun siya. There's automaticity na parang, oh,
Yeah.
I just automatically love this person. Yeah. Parang yun siya.
Like, not verbally nga or consciously ka, I'm choosing
Through
this person. Yeah.
actions. Yeah. And sometimes it just comes up naturally.
Yeah.
Ano na jud na siya. Ano lang. Can't really explain. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we all agree that love is a choice, but I feel ako kuwang ang statement. I think love is a
Fill
choice.
the blanks man siya, sis.
Yes.
Fill the blanks. Yeah, fill the blanks.
I think love is the love is a choice and a root. No, I seriously I think love is a choice at the later part. Because I don't think you wake up one day and you decide, you see someone and you decide you want to be with that person.
Honeymoon phase pa man.
Yeah.
No, like, because
Mga later part.
yeah, it's mo ng later part because inig mata ni mo mugawas ka, mamili di ka kinsa imuhang gusto. Di ba dili man? You can never dictate kinsay maganahan sa imong heart or sa imong soul. Asa ka mo connect. It's very like
The heart wants what it wants.
yes,
Yeah.
and it's very natural for our soul to speak for about that mga ay morganahan ko niya, di ba? And it's not a choice. Right?
It was a feeling.
Now, yes,
It was a
yes,
feeling at first.
yes, love is a feeling and then it becomes a choice.
Yes.
So,
I agree.
if mo decide ka nga mo commit ka to someone now, that becomes a choice.
Yeah.
Like, I would share ha, kanong first time jud na naka-experience ko ginana.
Alam ha, paminaw.
So, first college best friends me. Na siya. Dili ako ma-mention kayo, piminiono na siya.
Sessions ang pagita.
Pag gumatingin, ano ko nga, ano maguna? Late bloomer siya ba ako? Mara kung anong sa jeep, pag gunahon na ko niya, ano ba? Hindi ko kasabot niya. Ano, mingawon ko. Kaya gaya na,
Conductor man siya, sis.
Conductor siya.
Wala siya, pero bayad na ka. Hindi ka pa na-order.
Hindi mo siya rin ko.
Dili, ano na yan?
Kuwangan sa player.
Isa po, makita ko niya siya nga. Anong feel ako maghayag kita na?
As in Mama Mary to.
In ano siya ako feeling nga, unsa man niya. I've never been in love. I've never felt that kind of emotion before. Mga confused kay kunya.
Best friends
Di ko mabuhi wala siya. Lahi siya nga feeling. Marag na-fall ko niya to. Naabot sa tayo nga, di ko kato. Ganahan siya ko mag-say goodnight. Ana, naabot siya ko na nga point. Yeah, I didn't know nga, ano day ni? Adi lang, istorya ko.
And diba, you didn't choose to do that.
I didn't.
You chose to
The heart
feel
wants
that.
what it wants,
Yes.
Jude. It was so weird, confusing, but so beautiful.
Yeah.
Nakot dito nga state, mga, everything is just so bright. Everything is good. Life is good. Every time makita ko niya, kalma kay ko. Kana, I feel peaceful. Ana ba?
Baka motherly day kay siya.
Aman. Well, it didn't work out. Kaya marag ganig, I didn't know how to act on it.
Yeah.
Oh, kasi marag,
Yeah.
libog, anang bata pa kay ni, ana ba? Mo to siya.
Yeah.
It was of confusion.
Feeling
It's
at
so
Yeah.
so beautiful.
Yeah.
Type of love.
It's like
Yeah.
the same concept of being a gay is not a choice. How you express yourself is a choice. Like, mumatali ko ka, today, bayot ko. Yeah. di ba dili man, so, ingana gyud ka, so, and how you express yourself, mo na ang choice, gusto ko ging-ani, gusto ko. So, the same with the concept of love. So, love is, it's a strong feeling, and then it becomes a choice at the later part.
Where are you right now?
I'm here. Period. Next question. Okay, na ako'y serious. Grabe siya ko, okay, na ako'y series of questions diri, and we'll have to answer if it's a green flag or a red flag.
Jojowain. Ay.
Patrapahin. Ivana, ikaw ba yan?
Okay, is it a green flag or red flag? They're still best friends with their ex.
Yeah, based na ako sa akong personality, when I'm in a relationship. So for
Okay, ikaw
me,
mo ang toxic, no? Dili.
I'm the problem, it's me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Red flag na siya for me.
Red flag for you. For you.
I would love context for a red flag. I would love context for a red flag.
Ikaw.
Red flag.
Ikaw.
Ay, very red flag.
Okay.
As well as her lips.
Sige. Kisa mo hatag, o sala, kisa mo hatag og reason nga nung red flag siya. O ikaw ka magsuko mo kay ka.
Yeah, wa mo gyud siya best friend dito. Tapos ako kayo. Dili, uy, okay na siguro ka ng friend lang, hi, hello. Pero best friend, Jude, like, chika, Jude,
Iba ng
everything.
friend lang.
Friend lang, okay ra.
Okay ra ka friend.
Oh, pero kung chika nga,
So okay ra ka magtambay sila tas mag-inom.
Ano na, best friend man na. Dahil, di mo
Oh,
friend.
barkada naman good
No, a
na.
friend is off.
Acquaintances.
Acquaintance.
Kana.
To add context to nga, example, best friend mo sa mong ex. Again, I don't care if unsa by reason nagbuwag ba mo, ana. But it's a slippery slope.
Mhm.
Best friend nga mag-inom mo. That will create a lot of doors for many possibilities.
Yes.
So it's a red flag.
I
for
agree.
me.
It's a red flag.
Yes, it is.
Sige. Kani, I think maka-answer mo ani. No
Yes.
social media presence at all. Green flag or red flag?
Red.
Red said ko.
Versus basig utangan.
No social media.
No social media.
Facebook, Instagram. I'll take
Red,
I'll take it.
red flag. Super red flag.
Red flag. Okay. But for you, it's a green flag.
It's a green flag.
Why? Green frog?
Green flag. Green flag lang siya because I look at it in a way na kanang I like my man.
Low-key.
Low-key, not on social media. But if you add the context,
That's very construction vibe, man.
yeah. Hala.
Di ba? Usually ka nang, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, dili sila into social media.
yeah.
Ay, mga ingan.
I like
Ganun
those
ka
type
mga
of
ingan.
man.
Barako.
O ganun ka may headlock ka, di ba?
Yeah.
Mm.
Hala, i-edit
Ay,
na
sorry,
siya.
sorry. Kani, green flag or red flag, they remember tiny details you mentioned weeks ago in a casual text.
How? Kanang murag in an argument or
No, like,
Good stuff.
good stuff lang. Like, you said something last week and
they
then
remember.
they
oh,
remember.
green.
Automatic.
Very green.
Yeah, me too.
Green.
Green.
That means kung
They pay
sila.
attention.
Good listener.
Smart.
They pay
Yes,
attention.
Yes, period.
Ako yan, ito si Balik-balik.
Limtanon ba ako?
Kani, they have never been in a relationship that lasted longer than 6 months.
I would say
Normal, like not an alarm, but not like
I don't care.
it's a thumbs up sad.
Ikaw.
So.
So.
Yeah, same. So.
Siguro di,
Duwa sila uyab nga naglas og 6 months.
mo gani.
Depende, kung 5 na kabuok, syempre, red flag. Pero
sige.
usa pa kabuok, okay ra na.
Ah.
Oh, yes, ana.
Yeah. I would be like
Medyo red.
medyo red.
Ako
Orange.
But matabangan ako mahimong green.
Oh!
Because you're that
Ano
girl.
ko siyang Nikki? Sa obsession.
Dito pwede mag-
No.
Tanaw ka, obsession. Ikaw ni tanaw.
Yes.
Ikaw ni tanaw ka.
Ulok po.
Wala pa.
You should
Watch. Ikaw.
Wala pa.
Watch, yeah. Uli na naman na sa ano.
Iwan ang TV niya.
Brett na lang tabi.
Wait lang.
Please, amang leading.
Sa stock market.
Checking each other's phone. Ako na lang magtiwas.
Sige, kani. They introduce you to their close friends within the first 2 weeks of dating.
What is this red flag? Why are we moving so much? Why is it going so fast? Red
Ikaw.
flag. It's giving needy.
I can't say nga red jud siya.
Orange.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ako sa orange.
Orange.
Oh, okay, it's nice to know na siya friends. Kaya
Mhm.
if what siya friends, ikaw na yung kalibutan.
Yes.
Correct. Kuya.
At least you'd know why social media will have friends. Weird.
Mm.
Yeah. Ikaw.
Ako, kaya ganun ako mag-meet to people. So, it's a green flag for me.
I would say green too. Green.
Di na ko friendly di ay. Mawawa na magugko.
Nag-interpret
Ako rin nagkuan. Mawawa na magugko. So maybe orange na lang.
I change your answer.
I change my mind. Kailangan ko meet of people. Pero ayos na 2 weeks.
Dali na kayo 2 weeks
Masyado din yung go. Parang ko talagang ilo. Kani, mo ba? Kung meet mo mga friends, eh. Red flag. Ikaw dito red flag.
Next week na lang.
Nga, kinsa man na sila.
Sa 3rd week na lang.
Bawal ito nagkaila. Wala man yaman naman, pero ito kay proud mong kunin mo. Proud boy. Kahilas but kami now. 2 weeks pa gawin mo nagkaila. Kani, they have a designated friend night every single week that they absolutely will not reschedule for you.
Okay.
Uyog ko.
So is it a red flag, green flag?
Ako, green flag na siya. I like my man having, parang, like, a young life.
Okay.
And if kana jud iyang schedule day, kana jud na siya. Because before I entered his
Ina naman yung life.
siya.
Same. I would say the
So,
same thing.
For me not to feel bad, or maybe we can compromise, maybe every other day kana mo join ko.
Yeah.
But obviously, like,
Yeah.
Ilahan na. Parang ilahan mo.
Yeah.
Ever since
because you also, I'm pretty sure you also have your own thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Go, babe.
I completely agree. But yes, to like not really assure me more, pero to involve me more, like makita na ko na imo jud kong i-intertwine sa imong life. That's your routine. Wala pa ko sa imong kinabuhi. And then that's a sign na imo kong integrate ana kana mas kuan ko ana, mas
Yeah.
maganangan ko. So it's a green flag.
Yeah, it's a green flag for me. Same answer.
Same.
Same, para mahuman. Yes. Okay, last. They want to share location details on their phone.
Green
Early
flag.
in the relationship for safety and convenience.
Sure.
Convenience.
Oh, green flag kayo.
Green flag.
Yeah, green flag na lang siya. Green flag siya. Okay, kuan man. If they voluntarily wanna share their location, sure.
But I'm not gonna force them to like, you have to share.
Yes, because that makes us red.
That makes me mad.
Lagi mo ka.
Green flag siya, pero sa akin, mag-overthink naman din ko, alam nga mo share mo siya sa location, so meaning, basta na siya kitaguan. Pero,
Hindi siya mo share.
dili, kanang, siguro at first, ako ni personality ha, first mo share, kaya, kiligon ko, pero din, later on, kaya wala, masunod na sa kong utok, alam nga ni share siya, kay basinyag ka ng kuan. Nagunaw na siyang share, kaya para di siya makuha, hindi siya madudahan. Nagduda na noon.
Na-project ka. Gets.
So that's me.
Anyway, that's it. That's it for that part. Yay!
Finally.
You're having fun so far.
Yeah, I'm having
Yeah.
a great time.
Gutom naming team.
Yeah. Anyway, we are now in the at the last segment of the pod.
Okay.
The pangutana segment. Okay. The question is,
Dapat my head.
contestant number 1, move forward. Sige. Quick answer lang.
Quick question.
Is it a red flag or just a practical to expect your partner to match your income lifestyle? Or should you scale your life down to match theirs if they earn less?
So it's like compromise.
Sa in Bisaya, ay wow, kasi po mo kasabot. Is it a red flag or just practical to expect your partner to match your income lifestyle? Or should you scale your life down to match theirs if they earn less?
That's so. I'm not gonna date someone
Broke.
No, I'm not gonna say that I'm super rich or I'm even broke, but I'm not gonna date someone with way
Lower.
like they're up there and I'm down here.
Why?
expect compatibility pa lang.
That's for
Yeah,
you.
that's for
Respect,
me.
Respect.
That's for me. But I'm not closing my doors just in case I'd rather not know how much they're earning. Kana gani.
Mhm.
Siguro if mag-cohabitate na may pinanana.
Mhm.
But if I'm earning more than the person, how much they're earning, kana gani.
Mhm.
Siguro if mag-cohabitate na may pinanana.
Mhm.
But if I'm earning more than the person, am I willing to scale down? No, because it's kana gani if committed na mo like ato man ni. Ana
Yeah.
ba? Oh, kana yeah, I'm not
Ikaw, babe.
Babae man good ko. So let's say if richer ang guy, he can pay for me.
Mm.
Diba?
It's
I
an
would allow
advantage.
him.
Yes.
Oh. But I'm not gonna force him to pay for me. And I'm not gonna force him to change his financial status for me. Like, i-lower niya if siya ang richer. But if ako ang richer, kay babae man ko, kanang di sad ko mo lower sa ako ang financial kanang
Same
level or lifestyle para niya. I can encourage him, I can support him para musaka sad siya as, partner man me.
Yes.
Okay, like, how would you ever ask somebody na kana ipanaog na imong lifestyle? Uy?
Exactly.
Like, mao lang dyan ako
Yeah.
question. Oh.
Like, maingon mo siya nga, kaning maram na kung kaya, kaning taas kay kag maintenance good. Di ba, mga nang gaya ni mo ba? Which is a red flag.
Oh, red flag.
Nga ni naman ko when we met.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, in this economy, magpaubos pa dyan.
Yeah.
Hindi sa ayo.
Ikaw.
I agree with Bev. Kanang
scale down the lifestyle.
Yeah.
I don't like you have to be broke as well.
kana sad kanang siguro mas mo prefer ko na of course akong kay babae man ko. I know it's stereotype, it's double standard paminahon, but sa ako aniha, it's my
It's
perspective.
a safe space.
Yeah, it's a safe space. This is
Wait, 300
Go lang.
Yes. So for me, kanang para na ako ma-proud ko kung akong partner is earning more than
Yes.
me. Kaya, kuan man sad guna, ego man sad guna sa ilaha,
Yes.
diba?
Mm.
Pero kana sad kung akong partner less niya, ako more, dili sad ko mo go down sa akong lifestyle just because to compromise.
Yes.
Ana. Pero kanang, it doesn't mean sad nga, ako siyang i-force nga kanang,
To keep up.
Yeah, to keep up.
Mm.
Well, anyway, kung inana manggali, I can afford para sa akong self anyway, so 'di ba? Pero mo na at the end of the day, mas ganadyo ko nga mas dako yung income
Yes.
kaysa ako. Para na ako ipangayuan.
Yes.
Hindi na umabot ang financial incompatibility.
Mm.
Like, recently lang ko nakabasa ni naman situation nga, the guy is earning way more. He came from a wealthier family and is earning so much, a lot of money. Then si girl, 60K, 70K a year.
Mm.
But ang guy would constantly go on a trip and he expects this woman to keep up with him. Oh, marag 50-50 sila in some other things, but kini mga travel, you pay for this, I pay for that. So ang babae, mag-desire siya keep up siyang uyab. Love kay niya. But iyang gibuwagan because of their financial incompatibility ba. Kasi kaning I love you but I can keep up with your lifestyle. I'm not saying scale, saying ko ato ba, I'm not saying scale down kasi mo lifestyle, but I don't belong in your world. Inana. Di na magsugod ang financial incompatibility.
Wala ni voice out ang girl sa boy.
Mike.
Wala ni voice out sad ang girl sa boy.
Ang girl man mismo ay lower income.
Okay, wala ba siya ni voice
Wala
out
siya ni
sa
voice
iyahan?
out sa boy nga.
Di ko ka keep
Lumang
up
ko, di ko ka keep up.
ana.
Pwede ka nang
I think monthly nagstorya sila. Nagstorya jud sila nga. Murag, I feel like lahi taghilig ikaw, you like expensive stuff. I like kanang anak sa babae nga ganaman sa ko nga mo spoil sa akong self here and there, but dili constantly because up to a certain point nga mapariha ko nimo, I can't afford what yung sa imong lifestyle even before ta nakita. I tried, but sa ko amang good, it's exhausting.
Yeah.
Oh. So preferably more or less we're in the same level siguro ako lang.
Yeah. Wait lang, to add on ba sa mga women ba?
Mm.
I would really love my women friends to be like very independent, very empowered, who can afford their lifestyle.
Yes.
It would be a bonus for you guys to have a partner who could afford you.
Yeah, that's
No?
true.
But exactly, because I don't also want to sound nga double standard nga. Kung dili ka keep up ang lalaki sa imong lifestyle, at least you as a woman could afford your own lifestyle.
That's
You don't have to afford his lifestyle.
Yes.
Diba?
yes.
But the man should be able to afford the family.
That's
For
true.
the family. No?
I agree.
the woman can be the mom or the woman can have the lifestyle, but dili dapat but at the end of the day dapat gihapon provider ang guy.
That's true.
Right.
Yeah. And also, ganan ko mo add ba? Kanang, syempre, sa mga babae, well, not only sa babae, maybe, basta in general, you know what you deserve.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, you should know what you deserve.
But also, ang relationship manggod, dapat nung siya, like sa family ba, it should be a teamwork, 'di ba? I just don't want it nga ang lalaki, ako personally, I just don't want it nga lalaki ray provider. If the independent, empowered woman can afford for herself, she could also contribute for the family.
Yes, of
Diba?
course.
It should be a teamwork,
Yeah.
no? But again, ang lalaki nga provider good, it's a bonus.
Yes, that's true.
But di ko ganahan it should be a team. Dili pwede nga.
Yes.
You're the guy, you should provide for me. Like, I thought empowered ka.
Yeah.
I thought you could afford, di ba? So it should be a teamwork,
Yes,
no?
that's
So, kung bonus na lang gid makita kag sa mo
Yes.
ang katunga story, I feel like dili love language to lalaki ang mo provide for the girl.
Yeah.
provide ang laki sa may nani. Pero Marcos sa si chirp ang lalaki ba?
Mao gani niya.
Hindi kayo siya ka-afford.
Hindi
ka-afford
ang babae.
So, yeah, kung
Louie, no?
well kuan kaning di sila siguro compatible kay naman uban dato nga love good niya ang girl, she will provide for the
Yeah,
girl, di
that's
ba?
true.
And I don't think wrong ang girl or wrong ang guy.
Sa pag iya i-allow self na mo pay ang lalaki sa iya ha.
Mm.
But nag-live na magud sila. So marag gusto siya nga dili ikaw permilis gasto sa kuha. Ana ba?
Hindi
Kini
siya ganahan.
pwede ka mo gasto if nga untahan ana. Pero kini mga trips kanimo ato kag bato di siya Mexico ang lalaki hilig may ana gani with friends dato ba siya gikan. So babay marag feeling exhausting kaayo yung lifestyle. Oh, I can't keep up with you.
Valid. Valid.
Mm.
What about you?
Ako ka ng... if
Nakarnara na sis.
12 months to pay.
Sponsored by.
Forgive sa that.
ako agree ko sa like each and everyone's perspective. Pero kanang depende sa context. Example kapag kanang partner parang mo like not married, kana siya. But if you're married, na kids, I think magmatter yung circumstances.
Yeah.
So mag-argue jud ko sa mo when you said like kanang the men dili man jud na sila dapat provider all the time because na circumstances mawala sila work.
Yeah.
I'm not. And I always believe kanang because family naman na relationship, love jud na siya. So like love for me is like dili man na always 50-50. Sometimes 80-20 man in a way nga, let's say in a financial aspect. Sometimes 20% ako ma-contribute. So you have to make up for the 80%.
Yeah.
And then vice versa.
Teamwork,
Teamwork ka jud
Yeah.
siya.
Ano yun?
Ganyan.
Kay love is a
Yeah.
choice at the later part.
Yeah, not necessarily nga 0-100 ba?
Mm.
Naadyo na, even though, kana, sakto na
Yeah.
80-20, ana.
Okay,
That's enough.
unfair man
Yeah.
good. I think this also covers when you say gender equality.
Ako gender roles.
Oh, kanang
Yes, wag ito.
kuan mo, tinabangay mo.
Yeah.
Dili ka abig siya ang lalaki.
Yeah.
Di ba kay taas kag maintenance pero di ka katag sa mga anak
Yeah.
kay gusto
Yeah,
lang ka ang
that's
lalaki
true.
lang.
Pero may ubang nga ganahan na trad wife lang sila.
Oh, naing
Yeah.
ana, well, respect pero like in kuan ba for a healthier family ba or a healthier relationship. Kung baka kuan jud kag pina dato gyud ay good for you.
And
Happy
Mark-
for you.
Yeah.
Zuckerberg.
Yeah.
Happy for you.
Yeah. And also
Jeff
lang,
Bezos.
just to kanang add a partner kanang the other significant other they can always contribute in a way nga being a full-time mom or full-time dad. They can always make up for something.
Yes.
Kanang it's not always financial good.
Yes,
true.
exactly.
And also kanang in this society
But
man
that's a
good.
different aspect.
Correct.
Yeah.
And we always pray, I think in this society, in this age time, we always praise the one who makes money for the family.
Unfortunately.
Yeah,
we
but-
tend to overlook ang nag-take care sa house.
Exactly.
May it be a full-time dad or full-time mom.
Exactly.
Like being a full-time parent is a full-time job.
Exactly.
FYI.
It's a full-time job.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah. But again, if relationship lang mo, kanang dating pa lang, yeah, I think it's really kanang, date within your tax bracket.
I love that.
Oh, ang tax bracket ninyo, how to know, dara ang link.
Yeah.
By the way.
I would
Yeah.
agree.
Yes,
Yeah.
I super agree.
But then again, mag-change ba ang circumstances sometimes? For example, ang guy, he makes a lot of money, even though initial dating and the love language nila ang
Giving.
giving.
So be
ang-
it.
Yeah,
So be it.
So be it, ang guy mo said, oh, it's okay, I'll take you
Yeah.
with me on the trip. Like, no
Ako adlo ka
problem.
mo mabuibuyan ka ba?
Mm.
You know, kina
So,
sa mahadlok mo kuan.
Mao dyan, sakto ginano nga, before ka mo sa relationship, you have to be stable.
Mm.
Ikaw mismo ba? As an
Yeah.
individual. Like,
Mm.
di ko mamatay kung mawa ka.
Correct.
Ingana ba?
Mm.
Pero like man ang, pero in a concept siya of like, skuan lang mo ha, couple lang mo, wala pa mo
Yes.
kids. Kailangan mo po ng kids.
Yes.
Kailangan mo po ng frustration.
That-
Yan na. So, yeah.
Depende siya na sa circumstances.
Context.
I agree with everyone's opinion and
Please all rise na.
yes. Yeah, just to end it no nga. Just to end it sa question is I don't think it's necessary to scale down. Kaning
Yes.
kung
Wala pobre sa hilas.
exactly. Bahala why sud ang bank account basta fashionista tanaw.
Yes.
Kung pobre ko dapat mas pobre ka.
Oo, ano ba?
Ang importante buhi.
Ang importante mahalaga.
Yes.
Oo.
Kay ang kwarta,
Makita na po ka mo sa pangitaon.
Yes. Ingana ka nang mo scale down man ko nga to begin with di mo ko makikdate o pobre.
Ah.
Char lang. Char syempre char lang.
Friends og
Pobre. Pero char ra
ay
gud
para
na.
na akong friends naong og
Kwarta. Pero yeah, dili ka necessary mo scale down or no kaning
I agree.
ako abig na kay kwarta dili lang ka mo gasto kay para di ma-offer ng imong partner.
Oy, kalis sa dad na oy.
Minsan masad na
Yeah.
Di ko pwede mag-cafe every day.
oh mo gyud.
Ako early dating, dili ko mag-scale down. But really,
What look gihapon.
yeah. Early dating, dili ko mag-scale down.
Bukod ang gel every day. Para gani.
Ang most. No, in early
Love it.
dating, dili ko mag-scale down. Pero kapag ano na ka nang settle down na jud mo and then obviously like family na mo,
Yes.
I'm happy to compromise. If I have to
Yes.
scale down, I will scale down.
Okay,
Mag-duster na kasi.
change naman po ang kuan situation, ang
Correct.
circumstance.
Correct.
Yeah, kay it's duha naman mo in one room.
Correct. Agree.
Pero in general sense,
Yeah. Okay.
no.
It is what it is.
It is what is it,
Ah.
right?
Ay paglagot siguro atong Edmonton.
Maog yun.
Ay pagbuot na ko sa
Oh.
airport pero me.
Ay, kadoy.
Wala ra istorya ra gud.
Oh.
But thank you guys.
Thank you. This was fun.
Wait na may
Nawa kasi sila nakatunan.
Yes,
Did you have fun?
I did.
Okay,
Kami, no?
period.
Huh?
Right, Amy?
Very
Yes.
kanang
Intellectual.
intellectual conversation.
Yes.
Comment down below sa
In-
inyong nakatunan.
Yes. Inya, why ni comment ka, why nakatunan?
Sige.
Kaya only viewer.
Kaya why viewers?
Everywhere.
Bito, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for
having me.
coming back.
I think
Next episode na po. And thank you. This is your debut
Yes, thank you.
Debut by
to the
me.
pod.
I know.
Thank you for having me.
Congratulations for
2, 3.
coming.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Congratulations sa mong debut episode.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you,
Two more
guys.
episodes
Ayaw
with
ka na
you.
Yeah.
ba? Balik-balik.
Yes.
Yes.
Anyway,
Yes, you're at home.
before tamo
shout out? Okay, go ahead.
Mga friends, akong friends from USA, family,
Oh, international
team
kay
family,
friends.
National siya.
ang Lee family, matanaw ni sila per me sa,
Si family.
so, what a team family. So, thank you so much, guys. And also,
We thanks for watching.
yes, si
for
Attorney
watching.
Sas, akong friend. Yeah, akong best friend. Yes.
Hang Ate Ses.
Yes. Kasi pa may, basta, sa may nunduman, sunod na sa mga episode. Mana siya. Ay, wala man. Layo ba? Pero layo ba na ka nang ganun ako i-shoutout kay Sige mo sila tanaw. So, mana siya.
Hi, Ate Seth.
Anyway, gusto namin ka na ni-shoutout.
Wala raman.
Ay, nako! Literal pa na yung shoutout mo. Literal. Ay, so, mga to siya, guys. Salamat kayo sa pagpaminaw sa kanang pagtanaw. And this is our 10th episode. Oh my gosh! Thank you! Yeah, hopefully dili mo mapulaan namo, no? And if ever unsa man yung mga requests, ina lang me, comment down below.
Yes.
So kung wala ni comment.
When it tanaw.
Ito ka mag-comment.
So so see you again next time. This is Karina.
Kevin.
Beverly, this is Tim.
Again, salamat so much guys. And this is Seg. And we hope to see you again sa sunod na mga pundok
In the pod!